This painting, while celebrating the Italian immigration story, is equally the story for many migrants who come to Australia. From poor backgrounds, with little money and minimal education, and not speaking the language, my very brave Italian predecessors came to this wonderful country with a hope of building a foundation for their children, of whom I am one very lucky example. Italians brought flair and passion, as well as the best that Italy offers. Food that everyone loves to eat, such as spaghetti, pizza and cannoli. Fashion brands such as Dolce & Gabbana, Versace and Valentino. Car marques like Alfa Romeo, Ferrari and Lamborghini. And of course, the liquid gold of any Italian celebration, the espresso coffee. Auguri a tutti gli italo-australiani.